Welcome back to 12th Istik. If you haven't liked, shared and subscribed my channel yet, please do it. In this video, we will be talking about in detail of subject English Standard 12. So here we begin. Section 1 Prose 1.1 An Astrologer's Day written by R.K. Narayan. The main characters in this chapter are an astrologer and a stranger named Guru Nayak. Next is 1.2 On Saying Please, which is written by Alfred Gardner. This chapter is divided into two incidents. The first one is of the liftman's rude behavior and the second incident is of a bus conductor who is very kind and polite. Next is 1.3 The Cop and the Anthem, written by O. Henry. This chapter deals with the main character named Soapy and his various attempts to go to the jail. Next is 1.4 Big Data, Big Insight. This chapter deals all about internet, online and digital world and how technology has now drastically changed our lifestyle. Next is 1.5 The New Dress, written by Virginia Woolf. This chapter talks about a girl who constantly keeps thinking about her new yellow dress but in negative terms. Next is 1.6 Into the Wild, written by Kiran Purandare. In this chapter, two parts is being mentioned. The first part is Lost in the Jungle and the second part is Tracking the Panther of Nagarhole. Next is 1.7 Why We Travel by Siddharth Iyer. This is a story based on the traveling experience and his passion and love for traveling. And the last one is 1.8 Woving Towards Excellence by Achut Godbole. So this is an autobiographical sketch of his life right from the middle class family to becoming a famous writer. So that's it for section 1. Now we begin with section 2. Section 2 Poetry 2.1 Song of the Open Road by Walt Whitman. In this poem, the poet tells us of the journey of life, the various ups and downs and challenges of life. The next is 2.2 poem Indian Weavers, written by Sarojini Naidu. The poet talks about three important stages of life, also three important garments and three important moods and the colors is being depicted which are very significant to the poem. The next one is 2.3 The Inchcape Rock by Robert Southey. In this poem, there are two main characters. The first is the Abbot of Aberbrothock and the second one is Sir Ralph the Rover. Next is 2.4 Have You Earned Your Tomorrow by Edgar Guest. It is a very inspirational poem and the poet says that we have to do good deeds in order to secure our tomorrow. Next one is 2.5 Father Returning Home by Dilip Chitre. The poet talks about a father commuting daily in a very crowded train and later how he has to suffer at home. The next one is 2.6 Money, the poem written by William Davis. Here the poet says that money is not important but there are true real friends which is also important in life. The next one is 2.7 She Walks in Beauty, written by George Gordon Byron. It says that we have to celebrate the human beauty. And the last poem 2.8 Small Towns and Rivers, written by Mamang Dai. This poem talks about the eternal beauty of nature, the landscape and how small towns are now being developing. So this is for section 2. Now let's begin with section 3, that is the writing skills. In 3.1 we have summary writing. In 3.2 we have Do Schools Really Kill Creativity, which is your mind mapping. In 3.3 we have note making. In 3.4 we have statement of purpose, that is SOP. In 3.5 we have drafting a virtual message, and lastly in 3.6 we have group discussions. So that's it for the third section. Now we begin to our last, that is the section 4. Section 4, genre drama. In 4.1 we have history of novel. In 4.2 we have To Sir with Love. In 4.3 we have Around the World in 80 Days, and in 4.4 we have The Sign of 4. So this was in detail explanation of section 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in the next video I will be teaching you with a very interesting poem 2.2 Indian Weavers. Until then, stay tuned, stay fit. Thank you.